3,510 pesos only. Mura gamay lang no, pero grabe ang value ani. First, pag member nimo, you will receive 1 bottle of Intra, a powerful herbal drink for your health. Second, sa imong 3,510, naka-franchise na ka sa business. No rent, no big capital. Third, you will enjoy 20% to 40% discount on all the products for your wellness or start earning. Fourth, you will receive your own free website ready for online business. Dili na ka mag-report, ikaw ang boss. Work anytime, anywhere. Fifth, earn daily commissions and cash bonuses. 6. Maka-travel for free. Lifestyles rewards you with international and local travel incentives. Walay experience? No worries. Tabangan ka sa team with free trainings and mentorship. 7. You are protected with 1 million accident insurance and 100k medical reimbursement. Product, negosyo, bonus, travel, support ug insurance, tanan na just for 3,510 pesos. Message me kay tabangan tika unsaon pag-start.